Hi, this is Ron McMidnight for the Albatross News live at the studio. Just giving you that update on the weather report here. We got some more information coming in from, we got Frankie McDonald from Nova Scotia. Frankie, are you there, Frankie? Can we get the camera on Frankie?
This is Frankie McDonald, my own game station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Massive blizzard headed towards South Dakota on Friday, April 13, 2018. It's going to bring up to 12 plus inches of snow, especially in Black Hills, South Dakota, and Rapid City, South Dakota. The storm is going to start off as rain. It's going to change over to snow in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. It's going to bring a lot of snow. Winds are going to be very strong. That's going to cause blowing drifts of snow, zero visibilities, whale conditions, streets, roads, highways, and interstate highways will be snow covered in South Dakota.
Okay.
It's going to bring a
Frankie.
lot of snow. Winds are going to be real strong. That's going to cause whale conditions, blowing and drifting snow.
Frankie.
Sideways snow. Black Hills, South Dakota, and Rapid City, South Dakota.
I'm sorry, we had to cut Frankie off for a second. We have Teresa Mannion. She's going to give update as well. Teresa, are you there? Teresa.
Don't make unnecessary journeys. Don't take risks on treacherous roads. And don't swim in the sea. Incredibly, people have been spotted in the water here in Black Rock and Salt Hill, both today and yesterday.
Dude, oh my.
I spent much of my afternoon.
We're gonna have to make sure. We have to take a quick break. We're just gonna try to cut back. Sorry about that. We definitely check on Teresa, make sure she's okay. But we're gonna check back with Frankie. Frankie, are you there? Can you hear us this time, Frankie? Let us know.
Starting off is rain, then it's going to change over to snow in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, and the surrounding areas as well. It's going to bring dangerous, treacherous driving conditions. Will be really, really bad in South Dakota on Friday, April 13, 2018.
Got it.
It's going to bring a ton of snow. Winds are going to be very strong. People in South Dakota, be prepared. Hey, if you winter boots ready, winter jackets ready, hats, gloves, scarves, ski pants is ready, order your pizzas and order your Chinese food, buy cases of Pepsi, buy cases of Coke, do your grocery shopping, don't wait till the last minute, do it right now! Make sure you have your Samsung Galaxy shirts, Samsung Galaxy smartphone shirts, Samsung Galaxy tablet shirts, smartphones, cell phones, laptops, and tablet shirts, and have your 3G, 4G ready. When you drive your car, take your time, drive your car, slow down, so you don't get in car accidents. When you go for a walk, be fair, turn on your first
we're gonna Frankie. Yeah.
Make sure your shovel, snow scoop, snowblower, snowblower, salt trucks ready as well. If everybody lives in South Dakota, prepare for massive blizzard on Friday, April 13, 2018. Take care, stay safe. Don't get caught in a massive blizzard. Stay warm, be safe.
Okay. And that was Frankie McDonald from Nova Scotia. We had Teresa Mannion, Ron McMidnight, signing out. You guys, be warm, stay safe. You may stay classy, but you may never forget peace on earth and mercy mild. Albatross News will pick up again at noon.